Friends, welcome again to PK classes. Today in this episode, we will discuss about the part we have discussed earlier in our first video. That is how to write a good paragraph, a beautiful paragraph. Friends, this is a good question carrying 5 or 7 marks in your class exam. That means in your plus 2 exam. So friends, there is nothing to be worried because here are a lot of tricks and tips for you to prepare yourself accordingly to write a good paragraph. Friends, in this episode, in the second episode, we will discuss on two important things. That one is use of connector in a paragraph, and the second thing is how to make a unity of a paragraph. So, friends, there are two more things to be discussed. Nothing to be worried. Friends, I will teach you the best technique to use a connector in appropriate place and the use of how to make the paragraph a good unit having a better synchronized manner. Friends, this is the channel that is PK channel and you have to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the new videos. So friends, having no late, let's go to the topic first. So friends, in the last video, we have discussed the details on paragraph and its characteristics and its nature. So friends, I want to recall those. Actually, the first thing is you have to write the paragraph in a sequence, that means in a synchronized way. And the thing is what to write. The first thing is the topic. You have to focus on the topic, reflect on the topic, what idea you have, and what new thing you can generate having a deep think on the topic. And that should be presented in a synchronized manner, in a beautiful manner. Friends, another thing is your idea must be reader friendly and must attract to the reader to read the next line with an inquisitive mind. That means what might be there after this sentence. Likewise, you have to attract the reader's sight through your appropriate writing and through your clean and clear, that means your shiny, reflective writing. So, friends, here the important thing is the topic sentence and the supportive sentence. You have to start with your topic sentence. I have mentioned in the earlier video that you can start with your topic sentence in the middle or in the initial section. If you are starting with the initial section of your paragraph, then you have to mention the supporting ideas or the subtopic sentences after the topic sentences. There should not be mentioned any other sentences in between the topic sentences and subtopic sentences. Again, another thing is you should not mention any other sentences in between the subtopic sentences and the supporting sentences. There should be a coherence during writing a paragraph. There should be a synchronized manner during your paragraph writing. So, friends, this was the discussion earlier we have done. If you have not seen that video, please follow the link described in your description box and go to watch the video to be clarified how to writing a good paragraph in your plus 2 English 3. There is lot of things to discuss with important things we are here. So friends, let's go to today's topic. The thing is what is connectives, and the second thing is what is paragraph unity. So friends, first go to the connectives. Friends, actually, what is connectives? A topic sentence need coherence. A topic sentence need sub-sentences, subtopic sentences, and supportive sentences. Right? All these sentences should maintain a definite order to attract the reader. That means to be a reader-friendly paragraph. This should be mentioned by the writer. That means a sequence, a synchronized manner. And along with this, good wordings, appropriate wordings, contextual use of words. Along with this, the important play, the role played by the connector to make a sentence more beautiful and more coherent. So friends, textual connectors are very useful for joining not only sentences but paragraphs as well. In the case of paragraphs, the use of the correct connectors makes the text coherent and harmonious. They should help the reader to understand. It helps the reader to go through the logical thought, the logical relationship that exists in the paragraph, that exists in the sentence and another sentence. Friends, if you think to make your paragraph a reader friendly paragraph, you should go with the connectors and its use in appropriate place. So friends, the pronouns are the words used in the place of nouns, you know. And here in the table in your textbook, there are given so many pronouns in first person, in second person, in third person. And that is demonstrative pronouns also. All this comes under singular and plural form. In the first person, here I is the pronoun and I converted it into plural. We, you know it, and it is also used by you in many times. So, friends, these, those, these is the plural form of this and that. Himself, herself, themselves, these are the pronoun, but these are reflexive pronoun, you know. And he, see, it, its plural form is they. So friends, like this, we have to use the connectives as the pronoun in the place of noun. And the important thing you have to you have to recall that you should use pronouns. Okay. So friends, let's go to the example. Study the following paragraph and replace the appropriate noun phrases by pronouns. Okay, let's read. Human beings are destroying their environment. It is ironic how people pollute people's. That means in case of people's, it is their surroundings. And then go to the great pains to clean up the messes that people have made. The cheap method of getting rid of industrial waste is to dump the waste into rivers or lakes. The result of which such instructions into nature is the death of many forms of life in and around the waters. Only when the pollution reaches the people's revivers, reservoirs, however, do people figure that the time has come to clean up the people's environment. Then people create a series of expensive projects to restore the water to the water's original purity. Of course, the cheapest and the most effective way to get clean water is not to pollute the water in the first place. Friends, Here connectives like but, therefore, in addition to, for example, etc., being coherent to the paragraph by linking the ideas of one sentence with those in the next and by showing their relations. In this particular event, we want to share you very important thing, that is types of connectors and its use. Friends, one thing I have to say here regarding this, that you have to go the appropriate use of these connectors. I want to mention you. The first thing is the cause based connectors, the connectors which shows different causes. That means it shows different regions behind the coherence. Okay, and the examples are because. Because is a cause based connector. Since is also a cause based connector. Please try to listen it very keenly. Seeing that this is also a cause-based connector on account of and due to, on account of and due to ये सब जो cause based connector होते हैं. फ्रेंड्स ये सब कनेक्टर को कौन कौन कहीगली कहली बिकॉज सिंस सीइंग दैट ऑन अकाउंट ऑफ एंड ड्यू टू ये सब कॉज बेस्ड कनेक्टर एवं एगुड़ी को आमे व्यवहार करिबा कॉज शो करिया पई. So friends, second thing I want to share you, that is purpose connectors. Purpose connectors in order to so as to so that these are the purpose connectors and it expresses something, the purposive things or the purpose of the action, what the action meant to, what is the aim of the action. Example jodi naba gotere in order to, let us go with in order to, um, the man went to the post office in order to draw money. The man went to the farm in order to supply his green vegetables to market. Okay, friends, this is the use of the purposive connector in order to. So, friends, I have discussed yet cause connectors and purposive connectors. So, friends, let us go to the consequence connectors, which brings consequence and the consequence, the finally likewise. These are consequently, as a consequence, as a result, and therefore. कौन कहली consequently गोटे word use करिया पई कहूची आपण माननकु एज ए सीक्वेंस एज ए consequence कथा मु कहूची आपण को यूज करिवे एका एज ए रिजल्ट एको नोट डाउन करंतु एज ए रिजल्ट एको यूज करिवे एंड देयरफॉर मध्य यूज करिवे. सो एई सब कनेक्टर consequence बाबद रे आमे यूज करिबा जते बेले फलाफल को आनी की प्रेजेंट करिया पई चाहउछंती हम पैराग्राफ रे सेते बेले आमे एई कनेक्टर को यूज करिबा. तो ठीक अछि, दीज आर consequence connector माने रखिले consequently एक एज ए consequence or as a consequence of eta gote use, as a result of ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ therefore. These are things. Second thing, again the additional connectors जो वाक्य को जोड़िबा पई गोटे कनेक्टर आमे यूज करिबा. यह पैराग्राफ को खूब सुंदर भाव गठन करिबारे साहाय्य करिबा. सेगुडी को मु कहूची, सेगुडी को आपण माने सुनंतु. Moreover जोटा कुआ जाए, furthermore, in addition, beside, what's more, on the top of that. These are the additional connectors. जदि गोटे एग्जांपल नवा ताले निश्चित भाव रे आमे बुझी परिबा ए कनेक्टर को. In addition to Mr. Das, suppose some addition को नउची, in addition to Mr. Das, there are 26 people in the meeting. That means, except Mr. Das, there are 25. So, in addition to is a additional connector here used in the paragraph, in the sentence. And likewise, you have to use these connectors in your paragraph. This is about the additional connector. So friends, I have discussed in the earlier video that if you want to put examples in your paragraph, then you may. Why not? Putting examples is a logical thing. Your paragraph is logical and fact based. That's why you have to use the examples and you have to use the connector to express your example. That means, for example, one thing, for example, and second one is for instance. And if you want to use a very beautiful word before your example, that means the gracious example is what? Gracious example is. The gracious example is. For example and for instance. So friends, these are the exemplification use of connector. So friends, another important connector I want to say to you, that is what thing? The contrast connector. It contrasts the sentence. ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ ଏସବୁ ମନେ ରଖିବାକୁ ପଡିବ ଏବଂ ଏହାର ବ୍ୟବହାର ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ କଲେ ଆପଣମାନେ ଅଭ୍ୟାସରେ ପଡିଯିବେ। ମୁଁ ସେଗୁଡ଼ିକ କହୁଛି, ଆପଣମାନେ ତାକୁ ନୋଟ ଡାଉନ କରନ୍ତୁ ବା ବୁଝି ନିଅନ୍ତୁ। Despite, despite, in spite of, although, even though, however, nevertheless, still, yet, even so, on the contrary, in contrast, on the one hand and on the other hand. So friends, another one is whereas. So friends, these are the connectors that indicates contrast. ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ example ନେଲେ ହେଇଯିବ, in spite of rainy season, I confirmed my journey to England. Okay? ବର୍ଷା ଋତୁ ସତ୍ତ୍ୱେ ମୋ ଜର୍ଣ୍ଣିକୁ, ମୋ ଯାତ୍ରାକୁ ମୁଁ କନଫର୍ମ କଲି, ମୁଁ ସୁନିଶ୍ଚିତ କଲି। So these are the contrast connector we have to use during our paragraph writing. So friends, how many connectors yet we have discussed? We have discussed contrast connector, cause connector, purpose connector, consequence connector, and finally, I will help you in using the additional connector. I have also discussed, regarding the additional connector, but I need a good example for this additional connectors are, moreover, furthermore, in addition, beside, what's more, on the top of that. Okay, the example is, we are going to arrange a feast in this year. In addition, we will make a drama to energize the feast ceremony. Okay, friends, this is a basic example of using in addition. Okay, this is addition connector. Exemplification connector has been discussed with you. And the thing is, how to order the paragraph, friends. How to order the paragraph. I'm going to this page, okay, after discussing these things. Please have patience and listen. Ordering paragraphs. If you are writing a longer piece of sentence, it is helpful to write the paragraph like this at first sight. At first of all, in the first place, to start with, like these words. Okay, friends? Do you understand this? So I am repeating those sentences, part of sentences, that is at first sight. Suppose you are going to start your paragraph, you have to write, first of all, the thing we have discussed in our discussion, Mr. Das elaborated about the use of carbon dioxide. Like this, you have to use at first, first of all, in the first place, to start with. In the second place, okay. If you are bringing conclusion, then what you have to do, friends? Actually, if you are writing the bottom line of your paragraph, then you have to follow finally, in conclusion, lastly, and finally. The bottom line is like this. The bottom line is like this. You have to conclude your paragraph. So, friends, another important thing in your paragraph should be mentioned. आपण माने paragraph रो जो कनेक्टर गुड़िकर व्यवहार शिखिले, को कनेक्टर कोठी यूज करा जीवो ताहा जानिले, यार स्पेसिफिक यूज यार परवर्ती वीडियो रे हबो जे प्रत्येक कनेक्टर रो स्पेसिफिक यूज सेति पई गोटे वीडियो हबो, आपण परवर्ती वीडियो को अपेक्षा करिवे, हम निश्चित भाबरे सेति डिटेल दबा। किंतु ता पूर्वरु गोटे पर्सनल ओपिनियन मार्कर पई आमे रिक्वेस्ट करबा जे फ्रेंड्स जेतेबेले पैराग्राफ लेखुचंती सेतेबेले पर्सनल ओपिनियन रे जदी दिया जीवो, जदी सेही प्रकारर वांट आउ नीड थिबो पैराग्राफ राइटिंग रे, देन आमे कोन कोन वर्ड यूज करिकि पर्सनल व्यू टाकू मेंटेन करि परिबा पैराग्राफ रे। द फर्स्ट थिंग इज एज फार एज आई एम कंसर्न्ड, एटा को व्यवहार करिकि आमे मध्य पैराग्राफ रे कंक्लूजन ड्रा करि परिबा। एज फार एज आई एम कंसर्न्ड, आ गोटे कथा यूज करि परिबा, फ्रॉम माय पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, I agree, I disagree. In my opinion, I think that it is true that personally I say to be honest, to tell the truth. Likewise, आमे ए भली भाबरे पर्सनिफिकेशन करिबा पई बा पर्सनल ओपिनियन यूज करिबा पई पैराग्राफ रे एई मार्कर गुडी को कनेक्टर हिसाब रे आमे यूज करि पारिबा। ओके फ्रेंड्स, सो this is about the use of connectors in a paragraph. Here in your book, in a textbook, this is mentioned that the examples have been given in your textbook, and this is the actual page of your textbook. Friends, here it is example वाला जो कनेक्टर है ताकू आमे डिस्कशन करि सारछे। फॉर एग्जांपल, फॉर इंस्टेंस, such as, for the thing, and illustrate in particular. Here addition, comparison, contrast, connection, repetition, result. Okay, likewise place connector, frequency connector, time connector, and conclusion connector. Friends, I have discussed everything. In the next video, I will come in front of you with the particular use of the words for your better clarification, for your better grasping. So friends, my request to you that you have to go through these words and its uses. आपनको एई सब वर्ड रा यूज एवं तार अर्थ कॉन्टेक्चुअल यूज भीतर को जीवा को पड़िबो, गले आपण माने आहुरी बढ़िया यूज करि पारिबे। So friends, this is the use of connector, okay, and you have to be comfort for this while writing a paragraph. So friends, let's go to the next thing. That one is unity in paragraphs. How can we keep our paragraph as a unity and reader friendly one? Friends, you know a paragraph is composed of sentences. If in our exam it has been given as instruction that you have to write a paragraph within 500 words or 300 words or 200 words or 150 words. Accordingly, you fixed with yourself that if it is given that I will write the paragraph within 150 words, then I have to write 15 sentences or 17 sentences. So how brief the details should be in my description. So what should be the wordings, what should be the connectors, and what should be the examples, and what should be my opinion while writing the paragraph. And the very important thing is, friends, you should not put any other bypass wordings, bypass sentences using the paragraph as a unity. It make the paragraph unityless, and it should not be a reader friendly paragraph. It will disturb the reader. So how it disturbs? Let's go to the example in the box and search it out, which are the disturbing elements in the paragraph in the making of unity of the paragraph. So friends, carbohydrates are our body's fuel. Just as a car burns petrol and a steam engine burns coal, the body burns carbohydrate for energy. Proteins are body builders. Our body uses of energy when we walk or run or play or do anything with it. Our body needs energy even when we sit down and rest. Energy to breathe, to circulate blood, to digest food, to maintain body temperature, and so on. So carbohydrates should be born to keep the body going. Rice is a good source of carbohydrate. So friends, during my reading of this paragraph, I think you would have get who are the disturbing elements in the paragraph. So friends, let's go to the thing. The first one, the paragraph develops the point that carbohydrates are like fuels for the body. Okay, carbohydrates are like fuels for the body. But sentence 3, go to sentence 3, proteins are bodybuilders. Okay, has nothing to do with carbohydrates. Okay, and similarly, sentence 7 is irrelevant to the topic even though it is about carbohydrates. That means rice is a good source of carbohydrate. That should be an example. In example, it should be used. But particularly in a group of sentences, it is not useful and it is not important to use. So friends, sentence 3 could be included in a paragraph or protein, and sentence 7 could be part of paragraph on source of carbohydrate. That means I want to share you sentence 3 paragraph protein ଭିତ୍ତିକ paragraph ର ଗୋଟେ sentence ହେଇପାରିଥାନ୍ତା ଏବଂ carbohydrate ଭିତ୍ତିକ paragraph ର sentence ଗୋଟେ 7 ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା, 7 sentence ଟା ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା. In this particular day, we are describing about the body carbohydrate as body's fuel. So these two things, paragraph loses unity because of sentence 3 and sentence 7. So friends, I have discussed in the earlier video that your synchronization, your sentence selection and its appropriate order is important during writing a paragraph. Okay friends, so you have got the evidence, you have got the details about the unity of paragraph. In the earlier, I have discussed about the use of connector. Friends, my promise to you that I will come with the particular use of a particular connectors in a paragraph with a different example and with a model paragraph in front of you in my next video. And The unity of paragraph should also be focused in that particular video with gracious examples. ପରବର୍ତ୍ତୀ ଭିଡିଓରେ ୟୁନିଟି ଇନ୍ ପାରାଗ୍ରାଫ ଏବଂ କନେକ୍ଟର ୟୁଜ ର ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାର ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ପଲ ସହିତ ଆସିବା ପାଇଁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିବୁ ଏ କଥା ରଖୁଛୁ ଏବଂ ଆମେ ଆଶା ରଖୁଛୁ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ ଏହି ଭିଡିଓଟି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ସହାୟତା ଦେବ ପାଠ ପଢାରେ ସହାୟତା ଦେବ ଏବଂ ନିଜର ପରୀକ୍ଷା ପାଇଁ ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତିରେ ସହାୟତା ଦେବ. So friends, before concluding this chapter, I want to share you connectives and paragraph unit is another important character during writing paragraph. You please follow this video and be clear for your exam, friends. Thank you for watching this video and thank you so much. And please subscribe this channel to get more video and more facts regarding your invitation to English 3. Thank you so much.